In 1925, a British explorer, Percy Fawcett, set out to find a city in the Amazon rainforest that was said to be made entirely of gold, with its king bathing daily in powdered gold. However, Fawcett never returned from his expedition. He disappeared without a trace. The Amazon forest, shared by 8 countries, is the largest rainforest in the world. Its area spans 70 million square kilometers, which is so vast that it can accommodate 28 countries the size of the United Kingdom. A significant portion of this area remains unexplored by humans. This rainforest covers a massive expanse, home to an estimated 400 billion trees, and is often referred to as the lungs of the earth. It harbors diverse plant and animal species, along with countless microbes. As per estimates, the Amazon rainforest releases about 20% of the total oxygen on Earth. There are around 2 million people living in Amazon who have no connection to the outside world. Since a big chunk of the Amazon rainforest is still unexplored, what lies hidden beneath the woods remains a mystery to the world. In this video, we will discuss 5 mysteries that have puzzled humanity for ages. Number 1. The City of Gold. One of the biggest mysteries of the Amazon forest is the City of Gold, also known as El Dorado. It is said that there was once a city entirely made of gold, and its king bathed in powdered gold every day, letting all the gold flow into the Amazon River. By the end of the 16th century, the Europeans began their quest for this city, hoping to conquer the entire Amazon forest. They did encounter many tribes here, but the city they were looking for couldn't be found. However, they did find a lot of gold here. After continuing the search for the next 200 years, El Dorado was finally declared a myth. Then, in the 19th century, a British explorer named Percy Fawcett decided to search for El Dorado once again. During this time, he not only failed to find El Dorado, but also didn't come across any other cities mentioned by the Europeans. In his final expedition, Percy Fawcett was in the Amazon when he last made contact. After that, he set out on his quest and never returned. It is believed that this place, the Amazon rainforest, is uninhabitable for humans. Therefore, no city or village can be established here. But with time, some signs were found that indicate that at some point, humans had built entire cities here. Researchers have found human waste buried under the ground at several places. Scientists have also discovered stone structures hidden beneath the dense jungle using LiDAR scanners. Archaeologists have also discovered a city located 15 kilometers from the Caribbean coast, where 2,500 years old structures have been found buried deep within the mountains. But which one is El Dorado, and where exactly it was located in such a vast Amazon forest, remains a mystery to the scientific community to this day. Number 2. Uncontacted tribes. In this vast wilderness of Amazon, many tribes reside who have never seen the outside world to date. Anthropologists are also unaware of how these people spend their lives in the jungle. One such tribe is known as the Piracura, who reside in the western Brazil. There were thousands of people in this tribe before, but now only 15 to 20 remain. We have only known about this tribe since 1998, when they first made contact with the outside world. When anthropology decoded their words, it became apparent that their tribe used to be quite strong before, but then some mafia took over the forest for mining and brutally killed all their companions. Some people survived, but how many tribes are there in the Amazon who have established their world amidst the jungle is unknown. Where did these people come from? Is there any connection between these tribes and the ones who settled here thousands of years ago? No one has been able to find out so far. Number 3. Cave paintings. Historians have not been able to confirm for centuries when the people living in the Amazon arrived here. But in 2017, the puzzle began to unravel when archaeologists discovered some paintings on a mountain near the Amazon forest in Colombia. These paintings were completely buried under the massive stone mountain, and it was essential to expose them to understand them. Therefore, archaeologists excavated a 13-kilometer area and found that at some point, these stones were inside a cave. The paintings found in this 13-kilometer cave were about 12,000 years old. At that time, the last ice age was ending, and it was evident that there was not just a jungle that only snow, Some animals depicted in these paintings were only found during the Ice Age, such as mastodons and giant sloths. These paintings also gave an idea of how people lived here during that period and how they used to hunt even larger animals than themselves. Number 4. Humpback whale. In 2019, scientists were shocked when they found the body of a humpback whale on the Marajo Island in the Amazon rainforest in northern Brazil. It wasn't surprising that the whale died, but its timing was against the laws of nature. It wasn't just its death, but where it was found that was astonishing. It was found on land near the Amazon River. This calf was a heavy one. These whales enjoy warm water near the Amazon from October to November, but then they move south towards Antarctica in search of food. However, this whale was found dead near the Amazon in February. Investigations revealed that it had died just 4 days before it was found, with no signs of predation or injury on its body. Now, several questions arise. How did the whale reach here in this season? Why did it come from the ocean to the Amazon River? And most importantly, how did it reach the land amidst the Amazon forest? The mystery of that day and today remains unsolved. Number 5. Silk hedge. Another secret of the Amazon forest emerged in 2013 when a chemistry student near Peru stumbled upon a bizarre structure in the jungle. It was a structure built on top of a plant leaf, which looked quite mysterious. In the center of it was a silk cone, and around it, a magnificent fence was made entirely of silk. Later, a team of scientists visited this part of Peru, and soon they found more than 45 similar structures. Some were built on trees, and some were on plant leaves. This mysterious structure was called a silk hedge. With the help of a microscope, it was observed that tiny dust mites were crawling on the fence. These mites do not produce silk, so it was confirmed that these structures were not made by them. A few days later, the cone in the middle began to crack slowly, and one spiderling emerged from it. In fact, this structure was made by a particular species of spider found only in the western Amazon. These spiders make fences around their eggs so that small dust mites get trapped in them, and when their offspring hatch from the eggs, they have something to eat. I hope you'll like this video. See you in the next amazing video.